problems with question 1? You all know the difference between positive and negative slopes. Happy days. Number 2, rise over run. We're all able to do number 2? Brilliant. Number 3, rise over run again, because we've no numbers, so it has to be rise over run. Any problems? No. Number 4, it has to be rise over run because we've no numbers. But what do I know about the slope of that line? When looking at it, it has negative, so you just stick in the minus at the end, okay? Number 5 was use the formula y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Any problems? Anyone in number 5? Number 6? Okay. Right, number 7? Alright. Number 8? Do it? Right, okay. So number 8 is A is minus 2, 4. It's minus 2 minus 4. B is 5 minus 1. C is 6, 4. Yeah, zoom out.
Excuse me, please. Would Romina Chumo go to Miss Garrity's office now, please? Romina Chumo.
And D is minus 1, 1. Right, it says draw a rough sketch. Were you all able to draw it? Anyone need it drawn? Okay, good. Right, then it says show AB, 2 straight lines, CD. What does 2 straight lines mean? Parallel. So how do you show lines are parallel? They have the same slope. So you basically get the slope of AB, you get the slope of CD, and you're going to end up with the same answer. That's how you show they're parallel. So slope of AB, so it's y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So you call this x1, y1, x2, y2. So then fill in that y2 is minus 1 minus minus 4 all over x2 is 5 minus minus 2. Is everyone okay with where I got the 2 minuses? Right, that's a plus, that's a plus. Into the calculator you get 3 over 3, which is 1. Okay, so then you do the same thing over here, except you use point C, which is 6, 4. So x1, y1, and you use point D, which is x2, y2. Then you fill in y2, 1, minus y1 is 4, all over x2 is minus 1, minus y1 is 6. So that will end up with, why have I gone wrong?
You said 5 plus 2 is 3.
I said 5 plus 2 is 3 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Right, okay, so your maths teacher trying to add, your things are bad. Minus 3 over, that's way better, minus 7, right, okay, which turns out to be 3 over 7. And then you write a sentence. You say, since the slope of AB and the slope of CD are the same, they are parallel. Okay? Now you need to write the sentence because that's answering the question. Okay? You won't get full marks if you don't write the question, answer that question. Right? Are we okay with that? And then the second part is AD is parallel to CD, BC. So you do the exact same thing again, except you use the point A and the point D, which is minus 1, 1 here. So you do y2, you do x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's 1 minus minus 4 all over minus 1 minus minus 2. And they become a plus, and that's a plus, and that's 5 over 1, am I right? I'm nervous now. 5 over 1, which is just 5. Okay, so the slope of that is 5. Over here you use point B, which is 5 minus 1, and you use point C, which is 6, 4, and you call that x1, y1, x2, y2, and you fill in. So it's y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, so that becomes a plus, and that's 5 over 1 again, equals 5, and then you write a sentence. Since the slope of AD is equal to the slope of BC, they are parallel. Is that alright? Okay, are we okay with that? That was number 8. Is number 9 okay? Right, and that was it? Okay, time-wise, 5 minutes, right, okay. Will I start the equation of a line? No, I don't think I will. Right, okay. So for page 256, for homework, we'll do some more of these. So we'll do 10 to 16. Okay, so between now and tomorrow, page 256, 10 to 15. Sorry? I'd put on Teams, yeah.